Hello guys, welcome back to Vitro Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Hitman 3 connection failed error and how to fix this app. So many of you guys will be having this trouble and I'm going to show you it's not a basic step, but even if you can check this out. So first thing what you have to do is check for the server status, and you just have to make sure there is no kind of updates are going on or there is any kind of official updates on this one on server down. If it is so, you have to wait not for minutes, you have to wait for hours, and you just have to wait until it gets completely fixing up. So the first thing you have to do is you just have to check in official Twitter accounts and make sure there is no server issues are going on. Moving on to the next solution is I would like to make you notice is you must have to make sure yourself that you're having a good internet connection. That is, you just have to check yourself, and these are the two possible reasons why you are having connection fail error in Hitman 3. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. Any doubts you have, do ask in the comment sections. We will get back to you. And this is Shahin officially signing off from the Tips. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.